How to check who follows you on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to view your follower count and the closest equivalent to a full followers list. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. From there, make sure you're on the main chat screen. After that, tap your profile icon at the top left to open your profile page. At this point, if you have a public profile, tap on it to view the full details. Following this, right at the top of the page, you'll see your total follower count listed. This number reflects everyone currently following your account. From here, go back to your profile and scroll down, then tap My Friends. At this stage, this list shows everyone you're mutually connected with, which is the closest way to see who you're actually interacting with, since Snapchat doesn't show a full public list of followers the way some other apps do. That's how you check who follows you on Snapchat. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.